Right. Right, so as I said, this is an automatic today, Callum, so there's no clutch, so you don't have to use your left foot at all, just right foot only. So you've got the brake pedal in the middle, and then where your foot is just now is your gas pedal. And I'll call it gas pedal, just easy for me to say. Right, so to start this car, if you put your foot in the foot brake for me, so your right foot, no left foot, just right foot only today, push that pedal all the way down, press and hold that button for me. There we go. Okay, so there's a car starter, I'm just going to straighten the wheels off for you now. Okay, so you can see that, you can take your foot off the foot brake now, it's only just for starting the car. What I'm going to get to do, Callum, is very, very gentle. It's just very, very gentle, just squeeze that gas pedal for me, very, very gentle. It doesn't take a lot of pressure, eh? Very, very gentle. Good, and that's what the pressure you need really. Now, we're sitting in park, okay, which means the car's don't want to move anywhere. Yeah. So to select drive, if you like, if you put your right foot back on the foot brake for me again, yeah, push it all the way down, put your left thumb on that button, push that button down, and then pull the gear lever all the way back. So a wee bit of stuff. There we go. Just got to push that button all the way down. And then you can see we're in A1, which means it's auto, and we're in gear 1. But we will be using the paddle shifts today, which are these ones here. So the one on your right when you pull towards you changes up, one on your left when you pull towards you changes down. Okay, so we're sitting in automatic. Okay, so if I just put you back into park, the car's not going to move off anywhere. Yeah. But you notice that with our automatic, sometimes when you take your foot off the foot brake, the car creeps forward as well. Yeah. Okay, so you didn't necessarily have to go back on the gas straight away. So foot back in the foot brake for me. Okay, I'm going to put you back into drive. I'll release the handbrake. So no gas at all. If you just take your foot off the foot brake and start to steer. And there's the car starting to move away. Good. Just straighten the wheels up for me. And again, you can take your foot off the foot brake now. Okay, just very, very gentle. Just squeeze the gas pedal. Yeah, a wee bit of gas to get us going. Good. And then that paddle shift on your right, just pull towards you. So the one on your right, one on your right. So that's you in second gear eventually. Just do it again. That's it. And just we'll keep it in second gear just now, Callum. So again, sounds silly to say, but you're going to look where you're going. Yeah, so wherever you're looking, that'll help your steering as well. And you'll try and look as far ahead as you can. So this is just a clockwise loop. Yeah. Okay, so we come across here a little bit. Okay. And keep it in. Now if you just put about, say about a quarter turn on or so, Callum, this should take you nice and round this, nice and smooth around this corner. Good. Yeah, a wee bit of gas. And then you're going to let the car come across to your left as much as you can. And it just means we take our position for the next right hand bend. Yeah. So we're not too tight here. So that's the cone you're looking for. That's again the cone you're aiming for. So you start turning now for me. Good. Yeah, that's it. Let the car drift across to your left a little bit. And then come back to your right. And a wee bit of gas to keep us moving. Keeping it nice and constant here. Good. Second gear. Good. Yeah, just start to turn again. And then get the car nice and straight and a wee bit of gas to get us going. Okay. And then just change up into third gear for me. There you go. Just hold it again. I'll get a good click. There we go. That's it. Again, let the car go across to your left as much as you can. Then what we're going to do for this next corner, Callum, is because of the speed of the car, I'm going to change down into second gear. So one your left, just plug it towards you. And then I'll shoot back in a second. Good. So when it comes to the corners and bends, Callum, it's always slow in and fast out. You don't accelerate into a corner, you can accelerate out of one. Yes. But we're keeping it nice and constant and nice and smooth in the controls, what you're doing. So just a wee bit of gas to keep us moving a little bit quicker. That's it, just hold that pace there just now. See how easy it is, see how sensitive, how responsive it is. Yeah. Good, well done.
On the cars I've done in the 0 kilos, so like you had to physically push the pedal down to gain speed.
Nah.
Because they're so weak cars.
Yeah.
Because it's so powerful, it's just...
Very, very responsive. Good. Bit of gas to get us going. Bit of power on, power on. Okay, just change up on your third. Good. And keep it nice, keep it in third gear, keeping it nice and constant through these corners here. Yeah, back on the gas a little bit for me, Cal. Good, let the car drift across to your left. Ease off the gas, and then change down into second gear. Good. So just come to your left a little bit, and then start to turn. If you're just turning a little bit too early, yeah, we're just going to reposition a little bit for that corner. Good. Keep the power on nice and constant. Good. Yeah, keep the power on nice and constant again. So you're finding second gear here, just ease off the gas a little bit, so it's always slow in, fast out, start to turn now, and then go back on the gas as you come out the corner. So yeah, power on for me, up on your third, right, keep that power on nice and constant, calm. That's it, start to turn now. Good, keep the power on nice and constant, well done. Good, yeah, just ease off the gas now, sit back in your second gear for the next corner, that's fine. Good, start to turn again, keep power on nice and constant through these series of corners here. Nice and constant again. Keep power on nice and constant. Yeah, just ease off a little bit. Change into second gear if you can. Well done. That's it. Start to turn in. Then back on the gas again through these series of corners. That's it. Keeping it nice and constant. That's it. Just hold it there. Hold it there. Hold it there. Good. That's it. Start to turn in. Good. Again, you're finding second gear. Ease off the gas a little bit. Good, start to turn in. And as you come out the corner, let's go back in the gas again. Yeah, parking the power. Power on, bit quicker. Move it quicker, move it quicker, move it quicker. You okay this speed? Yeah, good. And your steer's nice and smooth as well. Good, yeah, just ease off. Good. Because we're catching a Lamborghini car, what we're going to do is we're going to take the next road on your right hand side. Right, so I know there's a wee cone there, okay? But we're going to turn to the right, next road on the right, we're just going to get past this Lamborghini, I think, if we can. Yeah, just turn in there. Yeah, we better gas the gas a bit. Keep power on for me. Good. Good. Ease off the gas a little bit. Start turning again. Keep turning. There we go, back to you again. And power on. Good. Yeah, keep power on for me. Power on. Power on again. Change up into third. Power on. Keep it nice and constant, calm, just as you were doing. Well done. Good. Keep power on nice and constant. Nice and smooth as well. Keep power on again. Keep power on. Ease off the gas. Change into second. Well done. Yeah, back on the gas again, nice and smoothly. Keep the power on nice and smooth, calm. Keep power on. Bit more. Good, well done. Good. Quite happy? Good stuff. Yeah, that's it. Good, turn on again. Power on. Power on for me. Power on. Keep going. Up, that's it. Turn in. Hold it there. Really well done, Carl. Yeah, power on again. Good, ease off the gas. Good. Turn in. Yeah, power on again for me. That's it, hold it there, Carl. Good. Power on for me, power on, power on, power on. Up on your third. Good. Good. Well done. Well done. Ease off the gas. A little bit of brake this time. There we go. Good, so you're starting a wee bit quicker now, so you need to brake a wee bit more this time. Ease off the gas a little bit. Yeah, keeping it nice and constant. Good. Yeah, that's it. Back on the gas, you come out the corner, keep the power on nice and constant and calm. That's it. Up into third gear. Good. And just hold that pace there. Just hold it there. Hold it there. Hold it there. Well done. That was a good one. Good. That's it. Yep. Good. That's it. Off gas a little bit. Turning in. Good. Back on the gas again, nice and constant. Keep the power on nice and constantly. Good. Your speed's okay. Your speed's spot on. Good. That's it. Turning again. Back on the gas, you come out the corner. Yeah, power on. Power on. Up on your third. And just hold that pace there. Just hold it there. Spot on, Cal. Good. Ease off the gas. A little bit of brake from there again. Good. Off brake now. Turn in. Back on the gas again. Nice and smooth. Good. Yeah, turning in. Back on the gas again. Yeah, up on the third. Well done. Turn, keep it nice and constant. Good, well done. Ease off the gas, a little bit of brake again, change that out a second. Good, off brake now, turn in. Back in the gas again for me, calm. Good. Yeah, well done. Really well done. Yeah, power on again, nice and constant. Up on your third. Good. Follow around. Well done, Cal. Off gas, a little bit of brake. Change down. Good. Turn in. Back on the gas again, keeping it nice and constant. Ease off a little bit. Turn in again. Good. Yes, turn in again. Back on the gas again for me. Up on your third. And then keeping it constant just as you've been doing. Quick. Ease off the gas. Change any second. Good. Off the brake. Back on the gas again, nice and smooth through these corners. Good. Just ease off a little bit. Good. Turning in again. Brake gas again. Good. Yeah, back on the gas again for me. Up on your third. Follow around. Hold that pace there, Cam. That's perfect. Hold it there. Hold it there. Well done. Good. Yeah, just change down. That's it. Yeah, turning in. What do you think of the GTR?
That's my dream car, so.
Is it? That's your dream car. Is that good? Yeah. Good. We'll do one more lap, Cam, okay? That's it, good, just holding it there, nice and constant. Good. Yeah, a little bit of brake. at all this time. We're going to head back into the pit lane. Just come off the gas completely and just start braking for like no power at all. Swing it into the left and then go back to your right for it. And go to just keep going a little bit further forward, a little further. Gently brake to a stop. And again, if you keep your foot on the foot brake, push that button down, then push the gear lever all the way forward. So there's you back in park again, and I'll just apply your handbrake as well. So the car's secure. Imagine that way.
That was fun.
Enjoy that.